Lord, sa hapong ito, amin pong ihatid sa uling antungan si Andrea. Dalangin po namin, Panginoon, na patuloy mong palakasin ang aming mga physical na pangatawan at patuloy na patatagin ang aming pong puso o Diyos sa kalungkutan na naranasan ng pamilyang Hombre.
Sunday mornings were your favorite. I used to meet you down on Woods Creek Road. You did your hair up like you were famous, even though it's only church where we were going.
Nung nabubuhay pa siya, nung nandun pa sila sa amin, hindi talaga sila nawawala sa kasama ng mga listahan namin pag Christmas. Lagi silang terno ng kapatid niyan, si Chantal, binibili ko ng mga gift. Tapos tahimik lang siyang bata na tulad niya na lahat ng mga sinabi nila na masayahing bata, nakangiti lang sa isang tabi. Kahit anong sabihin mo, hindi yan naaasar, ngingitian ka lang. Ganon siya. Marami nagmamahal sa kanya kasi ang bait niyang bata. At mahal na namin, Andrea, nasan ka man, be. We love you.
Never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. Digging through your old birthday letters, a crumpled 20 still in the box. I don't think that I could ever find a way to spend it, even if it's the last 20 that I've got. Oh, I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces.
Andrea, Andeng, Anjam, Nipong, Dea, or should I say my ever beautiful loving sister. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Lord for 11 years na nakasama ka namin. Napakatalino at talented mo, Andeng. Andrea, gusto ko lang din malaman mo na sobra akong nagpapasalamat dahil naging sobrang ganda at mabait mong kapatid sa akin. Again, napaka-selfless mo. Kung alam lang nila sa sobrang pagmamahal mo sa amin, tiniis mo lahat ng sakit. Hindi mo sinabing hindi ka man lang umaray kahit 20 na yung nakaturok sa'yo. Grabe, ako na yung pinapakalma ng doktor pag tinuturukan ka ng kung ano-ano. Kasi ang OA ko na person. Grabe yung laban na pinanalo mo, Andrea. Kasi hindi ko kaya yan. Napaka-strong mo. Mahal na mahal kita, ating ko.
mahal ka ni Mama. I will try all my best para maging matatag para kay Shanday because you love Shanday so much. One time sabi mo sa akin, don't just focus on me, Mama. Ipacheck up mo din si Ate. You were so good. You look everyone. And thank you for coming into our life for almost me, Evan. Sana naging masaya ka rin sa piling namin. Alam, nandun ka na at nandyan ka na sa bahay ni Papa Diesel. We will try our very best para maging strong. I love you. And I will miss you. We will miss you. I love you so much. And we will love you so much, anak. Till we meet again. I love you, Andre. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga nagmahal kay Andrea, nag-alaga kay Andrea, sa mga nasa malayong lugar po pumunta para pumunta dito para kay Andrea sa waling araw niya pasama sa akin. Maraming salamat po, Andrea. Love ka ni Ate Nek, Andrea. Kami miss kita.
Andrea, you know that I love you. And I know that you love us too. And I'm sorry, Ading. Mahal na mahal kita. Basta, I hope you guide me because I tend to do decisions in an instant, like when I'm happy, when I'm emotional, when I'm, under the sun. I need guidance. So help me to turn my life better so again I can fulfill and make the dreams come true for other people. Because until the very end, I know that you care so much to other people more than yourself. And I will try my very best to do that by giving everything to Chantal and to her family as well. Andrea, I love you so much. I'm sorry for everything.
I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. Still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard for a billion different reasons. You took the best of my heart. Holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding still holding on.
Ila, sobrang bait mong tao, ate. I love you so much. Miss na miss kita.
Love you, Andrea, and I hope no more pain na dyan. Love you.
Andrea, mamimiss ka namin. Alam namin na nasa mabuting lugar ka na, neneng ko. We love you so much and we miss you.
I hope
I hope na you will rest in peace, Andrea. Alam ko naman na doon ka pupunta eh. Kasi napakabait mong bata.
Million different reasons
lang.
you took the best
We will
of
miss you.
my heart. Love the rest in peace.